So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to fix Monopoly Go glitch. So it's step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically here in Monopoly Go, there has been an error, a message being received and crashing that has been noticed here in Monopoly Go. So basically all you have to do if you're using an Android is clear the cache, which is going to be located in your settings, your applications, look for Monopoly Go and clear the cache basically. So the second fix to this is actually updating your Monopoly Go to the latest version. By doing that, all you have to do is go to your App Store and then search for Monopoly Go and then update it to the latest version so that it will work as usual. So there you go guys. And if it still doesn't work, all you have to do is remove the app or delete the app and then basically just reinstall it again and then log into your account, and there you go. That is how you fix the Monopoly Go glitch here basically. And there you go guys. If you like this video, I'll see you again next time, and thank you for watching this video.